Okay, originally this video was supposed to be about yard work. The title was Why I Love Yard Work, like mowing the lawn. But as you'll see in this video, it didn't turn out that way. I mean, like most things, they never turn out the way you want them to. But I need a video done today, and that was gonna be my video. You'll see, it didn't turn out not even close to the way I planned it to. So I'm filming myself in the car right now because I'm actively trying to figure out what I'm gonna make this video about. And I don't know. But I'm hoping through some revelation or epitome or whatever you call it, or epiphany, I'll figure it out through this ride. And I'll bring you with me. Revelation or epitome or whatever you call it, or epiphany. Alright, I'm in the woods of Maine right now. I made it here. And I want to go over the footage that I got because it's interesting to say the least. And I'm going to explain what was going through my head while I was shooting it and why it didn't work out. So I'll narrate along the way. Okay, this shot is I'm basically getting ready to mow the lawn. Everything's going good. The weather looks okay. I'm not worried about anything. So I get on there and get started. This shot, I start to see it's raining a little bit, or it's starting to. There's sprinkles kind of falling, and I'm getting worried. But still, I figure I can mow the lawn. I can still do it. This particular shot, it's starting to rain a little bit more, and I'm currently contemplating whether I should finish the lawn mowing video or start a different video, which is the one I'm doing now. This shot, I don't know why this fell over, but it did, so I'm hurrying to put it back, and I figure this might be kind of funny. So I'm rolling that back, and then I figure, okay, I'm getting out of the frame, so I gotta run back, fix the camera angle, and then drag the container back. Now I'm finishing up the backyard, what I did start mowing. I'm pretty sure now it's starting to pick up the rain. Okay, this shot is pouring. I remember this was pouring, so I put the camera under the deck, and I finish over there. I didn't want my camera to get wet, but I didn't really care about myself, so it's pouring, but I'm finishing what I did. Here's again, I'm putting the camera under the hood of the trunk of my car so it doesn't get wet.
And you can film right here.
And I'm using the backpack blower to spread the cut grass, the clippings. If it stops raining, maybe I could finish the trimming after it stops raining, but it's rainy. Kind of lighten up. Gotta let my boots dry because they're covered in wet grass. I want to take a shower because I'm covered in wet grass too, and yuckiness, and I have seasonal allergies, so there's grass in my nose. That doesn't help. But I gotta go to my post office, so I'm thinking on the drive there I'll record myself and I'll come up with the idea for this video. Hopefully. The problem is I have so much stuff that I need to do that's stacked upon each other, and they're just weighing down on each other right now, and it's already almost 3 o'clock, and before I leave, I need to clean my studio space. I don't want to leave it the way it is right now. It's just disorganized. It needs to be clean. And also I need to pack. I haven't packed yet, so I gotta get that done too, and I haven't because I've been trying to make this video and it's gone horribly so far. And I need to go to the post office. It closes in a half hour, so I have to do that. So maybe this video is about how sometimes we don't give ourselves forgiveness when it comes to the things we need to do. Because there's zero forgiveness. I have 10 things I need to do, and none of them are forgiving. I can't not do one thing. They all need to get done. And in that way, I think I've failed. But maybe, hopefully, it'll flourish into something interesting through this video. And it's not like I don't have I'm running out of ideas. That's the easy part. I have the next 2 months. That's 8 videos. No, that's 16 videos. That's 16 videos I already have planned out. And mowing the lawn or why I love yard work was one of them. I think it's because I had to get this done in one day, and I couldn't. Or I can. I have no idea. I probably sound like I'm crazy, but I am a little bit, we all are. I had to put on sneakers because my boots are filled with grass and they need to be cleaned, and I need to get to the post office before they close, so these will do. But I hate wearing sneakers and I'm so far out of my comfort zone, but they'll do.